Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make these soft and delicious pumpkin cookies. The first thing I'm going to do is mix up my dry ingredients and set it aside. To a bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of white all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of cloves, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk that together. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. To another clean bowl, I'm going to add 1 stick of softened butter, 3/4 cup of white sugar, and 3/4 cup of brown sugar. You're going to use your electric mixer and mix that together. So what you guys think of my background? I wanted to make it pretty for fall, plus I wanted to change it up. I've had those red canisters up there forever. I was getting tired of seeing them and I just wanted something different. And I kind of like this. I feel like it just makes the kitchen so much brighter. Next, I'm going to add 1 egg to that. And then I'm going to beat that for 5 minutes. Make sure you use your spatula and scrape down the bowl. After the 5 minutes is up, I'm going to add 1 cup of canned pumpkin, and this is pure pumpkin. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla to that. Beat that for 2 minutes. Oh my goodness, I wish you could smell the kitchen right now. It just smells like fall. All the warm spices and the pumpkin. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I'm scraping down the bowl again and then I'm going to add the dry ingredients. And when you bake anything and you have to mix anything together, always make sure to scrape down your bowl. You don't want to have anything left behind. Okay, now I'm just going to add the dry ingredients to that and beat that until everything is thoroughly mixed together. I'm going to cover this with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for 1 hour. An hour has passed, so you're going to get your oven ready. So turn your oven on to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and make sure to line your baking sheet with some parchment paper. I'm using a 1-inch cookie scoop and I'm just going to put them on the pan, and I'm going to leave some space in between each one. Once your oven is ready, you're going to bake them for 12 minutes. I want to take a moment to show off my oven mitts that one of my followers on Instagram made and sent for me. I just love them so much. They are so cute. So thank you, Yasmini. When you're in the mood for some fall baking, make these. I'm telling you, you're not going to regret it. They are so good. And you can freeze them. I mean, this recipe makes a lot, but freeze some of them because later on you're going to want some, and then you can just take a couple out of the freezer and you can just enjoy them. This recipe made a total of 44 cookies. I know that's a lot of cookies for just the two of us, but like I said, I'm going to freeze some of them. They are just a perfect little bite. Look at them. They're so pillowy soft. It's like having a cake but in a cookie, if that makes sense. They're so soft and so flavorful. All the warm spices, the cinnamon, nutmeg, on the brown sugar. They're so good. And I know some people frost them, but I prefer them just like this. I don't like them frosted. I feel like when you frost them, it takes away from the cookie itself. So I like it just like this. So I hope you give this recipe a try. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.